What's going on? This is Markie Williams and welcome to my channel, Online Certification Courses. This is a channel where you can learn a new skill set to brush up on an old one. Continuous education and improvement should always be priority if you want to stay current in your field of work and plus get paid your worth. So let's get started. In this Workout Designer Certification course, I will go over the syllabus and break down what the course consists of. The personalized workout program has been created for individuals who want to improve their health and fitness level, or when it comes to being a personal trainer, you can also help others by designing specific workouts to target their needs. The Workout Designer course will open up with an introduction regarding how to design a fitness program for your clients. In other words, designing workouts for specific needs such as physique-related benefits, psychological-related benefits, or health-related benefits. You will learn key terms along the way through this certification course to use when it comes to communicating with clients so they can fully understand what you are trying to accomplish when it comes to them working out. A workout split is a training program that divides workout sessions into different body regions. It's a popular training method that allows for more recovery and growth, such as the full body workout, the upper and lower split, the push-pull leg split, and the body part split. The online certification course will go over compound exercise such as pull-ups or bench pressing, and isolation exercises such as bicep curls, tricep extensions, along with proper rest time for each of these workouts. We all know the standards when it comes to dumbbells and barbells, but there is also different modes of training as well, and the Workout Designer course will go over the use of resistant bands, bodyweight exercises, and machine weights. When designing a workout for someone's specific needs, the Workout Designer course will have courses of the most popular choices such as workout focused on muscle building, workout focused on fat loss, workout programs for beginners, workout programs for older individuals. Towards the end of the personalized workout course, it will also go over the following: how cardio fits in, designing an injury-proof workout program, and considering your pre-workout fueling. With the ongoing rise of continual fitness amongst teen, adults, and seniors, your personalized workout session can start in the comfort of their own home, and once a routine is created, move towards the online classes for the ones that have their design workout in motion. The links will be down below in the description. Many thanks for taking some time to check my tutorial out. All the links will be there in the description below. I also have a website up and running, which is also Markie Williams Online Certification Courses. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any training certification courses you may want to pick up. Comment below "done" and I will reply back. You can check me out on Facebook under Markie Williams, and there I also have an online certification page where you can like and follow as well. Please make sure you check out these thumbnails as well floating around right here. And always remember to get paid your worth. Many thanks. It's Markie Williams, and I'm out.